The truth about symmetric versus asymmetric encryption. Ever wondered how your online data stays safe? Encryption is the key. It scrambles data to keep it protected, ensuring that only authorized parties can access it. Let's decode the secrets of symmetric and asymmetric encryption. In today's digital world, encryption is crucial. It safeguards sensitive information from hackers and unauthorized access. Whether it's personal messages, financial transactions, or confidential business data, encryption keeps our digital lives secure and private. Encryption transforms readable data into an unreadable format using algorithms. This process ensures that even if data is intercepted, it remains incomprehensible to unauthorized users. Without encryption, our personal and professional information would be vulnerable to cyber threats. Symmetric encryption uses a single key for both encryption and decryption. It's like having one key that locks and unlocks a door. This method is straightforward and efficient, making it a popular choice for securing data. The single key in symmetric encryption must be shared between the sender and receiver. Both parties need to keep this key secret. If the key is compromised, the encrypted data can be easily decrypted by unauthorized users. Common symmetric encryption algorithms include AES, DS, and 3DS. AES, known for its robustness, is widely used for securing sensitive data. DS, though older, laid a foundation, but has largely been replaced by AES. Symmetric encryption works by using one shared key for both encryption and decryption. The sender encrypts the data with this key, and the receiver uses the same key to decrypt it, ensuring quick data security. One major advantage of symmetric encryption is its speed. Because it uses a single key, the process is straightforward and efficient, making it ideal for encrypting large volumes of data quickly and reliably. However, symmetric encryption has its drawbacks, particularly in key distribution. Both parties need access to the same key, which can be challenging to share securely, especially over unsecured channels or networks, posing potential security risks. Asymmetric encryption introduces a more secure method by using two keys, a public key and a private key. The public key encrypts the data, while only the private key can decrypt it, enhancing security and simplifying key distribution. Asymmetric encryption uses two keys, a public key for encryption and a private key for decryption. The public key can be shared openly, while the private key must remain confidential to ensure the security of the communication. Common asymmetric encryption algorithms include RSA, which relies on the difficulty of factoring large numbers, and ECC, which leverages the properties of elliptic curves to provide strong security with smaller key sizes, making it efficient. The process starts with the sender encrypting the message using the recipient's public key. The encrypted message is then sent to the recipient, who decrypts it with their private key, ensuring that only they can read it. Asymmetric encryption offers secure key distribution, as the public key can be shared without compromising the private key. This eliminates the need for a secure channel to exchange keys, simplifying the encryption process. However, asymmetric encryption is generally slower than symmetric encryption due to its complex mathematical operations. This can make it less suitable for encrypting large amounts of data, where speed and efficiency are crucial. Symmetric encryption relies on a single key for both encryption and decryption, making it fast and efficient. However, key distribution can be challenging. Asymmetric encryption uses a pair of keys, ensuring secure communication but at a slower pace. Symmetric encryption is ideal for scenarios requiring speed and efficiency, such as encrypting large amounts of data in real time. It's typically used in applications like database encryption and file storage, where quick processing is crucial. Asymmetric encryption shines in situations requiring secure key exchange and authentication, such as digital signatures and secure email communications. It ensures that only intended recipients can decrypt messages, providing robust security for sensitive information. Combining symmetric and asymmetric encryption leverages the strengths of both methods. For instance, SSL/TLS protocols use asymmetric encryption to exchange a symmetric key, which then encrypts the actual data, balancing security and performance. Encryption is integral to many real-world applications, from protecting sensitive information in online banking to securing communications in messaging apps. These implementations demonstrate the practical importance and effectiveness of both symmetric and asymmetric encryption in everyday life. Encryption plays a crucial role in our everyday lives. From securing online banking transactions to protecting private messages on social media, encryption ensures that our personal information remains confidential and secure from unauthorized access and cyber threats. Despite its benefits, encryption isn't foolproof. Common security risks include brute force attacks and key theft. To mitigate these risks, it's essential to use strong, unique passwords and regularly update encryption protocols to stay ahead of potential vulnerabilities. The future of encryption is promising, with emerging technologies like quantum encryption and homomorphic encryption on the horizon. These advancements aim to provide even more robust security measures, ensuring our data remains protected in an increasingly digital world. To recap, encryption is vital for securing digital information. Symmetric encryption offers speed, while asymmetric encryption provides secure key distribution. Understanding and utilizing both methods enhances our overall data security in various applications. For practical tips, always use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication wherever possible. Regularly updating your software and encryption protocols can also help safeguard your personal data against evolving cyber threats and vulnerabilities. Encryption expert Dr. Jane Smith emphasizes that encryption is the backbone of modern security, protecting our data from cyber threats. She believes staying informed about encryption methods is crucial for maintaining robust digital security in today's interconnected world. We invite you to share your questions or thoughts about encryption in the comments. Engaging with our community helps everyone learn and stay updated on the latest security practices. Your input is invaluable. To better illustrate encryption concepts, we've included diagrams and animations. Visual aids make complex ideas easier to understand, ensuring you grasp how encryption keeps your data safe. Watch closely for these helpful visual explanations. For those interested in diving deeper, we've provided links to additional reading materials and tools. These resources offer further insights and practical knowledge about encryption, enhancing your understanding and ability to secure your data. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it informative. Your support helps us create more content on digital security, empowering you to protect your online presence effectively. Stay tuned for future updates.